everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I literally have like 10 minutes before I need to leave and drop my kids off with the babysitter, but I really wanted to pop on here and talk to you about your 2020 journal, whatever it is, and how you can get yourself excited for it, because that is really a really crucial part of keeping up with your journal. So stick around. Okay guys, you are my people. You've seen me play in this already. You know that for 2020 I am in the Hobonichi A5 Cousin Avec, and that is going to be my 2020 journal, and I have already decorated it, and I am moving up from this girl right here. Well, both volumes are here. So this is 2019 in a nutshell. And I will be showing you guys this. Maybe not all of it, but I'm thinking about maybe picking some highlights and my favorite things to add. And we'll be doing that shortly, but the year's not quite over. So what I wanted to talk to you about today was getting excited to do a whole year in your journal, because I think the main reason that I was able to stick with my A6 Hobonichis is because I loved them. I was obsessed with them. I loved the covers that I picked out. I had just fallen in love with Hobonichi in general. I took time to decorate them and put in stickers that I loved and collage, and so I wanted to be in these every day. I just wanted to look at them. So I think that as silly as that, maybe it's not silly, as you know, trivial as a thing as liking the way that it looks, you know, it helped me because I love these. I tracked down this cover on cover from a couple of years ago, and I ordered it on Etsy because it was not a new one for 2019. So, but I loved it. I loved the birds and so anyways, I think that that's a really key part. So I just wanted to let you guys know that when I got my A5, the first thing I did was jump on Redbubble and I ordered stickers of things that I love, that just make my heart happy, make me laugh, or make me feel things just that I just love. And it doesn't have to be cool. It doesn't have to be arty. It doesn't have to be like what's in now in the journaling world. Just what you love. Absolutely anything and everything. And so a lot of this stuff that I've put on here is stickers that I ordered, and they're all meaningful to me, and things that I've gotten from you guys, and those are also super meaningful to me. So this just makes me so happy to look at. I just want to start so badly. And this beautiful cover I got from Atlas Designs. I still don't know if I'm saying that right. It's a cover like for the Hobonichi Cousin Avec, and it's got holographic stars in it, and it's got little pockets right here and back here, and it's beautiful. I picked the stitching and the elastic colors, and she sent it to me. This is not, she didn't send it to me for free. I paid for it. I really love it, you guys. I wanted something that would protect my notebook, that was also cute, and that I could still see my stickers through, and this is perfect. It's the perfect option. I couldn't have come up with anything better. And she has amazing, really cute things. So you should go check her out. She does this amazing rainbow stitching thing on leather. Oh my God, you guys.
I really want that.
So figure out what makes you excited, not somebody else on YouTube or whatever, like what really fires you up. Because if you watch YouTube and you see somebody that's obsessed with leather covers and they've got a shelf full of leather covers, if that's not what you love, then it's not going to fire you up to look at it. You know what I mean? Like if you don't love a brown leather cover, then don't put a brown leather cover on your notebook because you feel, or on your journal, because you feel like that's what a journaler would do or something. You know what I mean? Like, maybe that sounds silly and like really duh, but especially if you post pictures on Instagram or do YouTube videos, do what makes you happy, not what's going to get you views. Okay? I know that sounds so duh and you just want to smack me. Like, I want to smack myself, but seriously, guys, this is your journey, not anybody else's. So this is me in a nutshell. So this is, figure out what you like, embrace it with your full and unabashed passion and heart, and don't apologize for it. Like, seriously?
Fuck that.
Do what you want to do and love it, okay? I'm obsessed with rainbows and cats and stickers and unicorns. Does that make me a 12-year-old? Yeah, probably, but I love it and it makes me want to be in here. So you figure out what fires you up and do that and fill your notebook with that kind of thing. So that's what I did. And then I also got in here and I just played. Just don't make rules for yourself, you know? Like, I don't know what I want to use these pages for, but I just wanted to play with my watercolors. So, and my markers. So I did. You know, just don't stress about it so much because journals aren't perfect. They don't have to be perfect. They're a place for us to play and a place for us to put our memories and our feelings, and it's not about perfection. It doesn't, the layout doesn't have to be perfect. The colors don't have to all coordinate. Don't put that stress on yourself. Like, in the end, this physical thing is great, but what is the more important is the process of doing this every day will help you if you enjoy it, if that's something that you're into. It's the process of sitting down and doing something that makes your heart joyful, like putting in stickers or writing about your day or making a collage. Journaling doesn't have to be any one thing. That is all journaling. That is all worthwhile. You know, you don't have to be sitting here writing deep thoughts, and it's not the next great American novel. I know I've said that before. If what you're doing in here makes your heart happy, then that process and that time you spent doing it was 100% worth it. 100%. So I really want you to know that, like, from the bottom of my heart. That's basically what I want to tell you. And you can also get in here, throw in some color. If you like watercolor your pages. I watercolored the first couple of months in mine, and I stuck down some washi tape. And I have these different date washies from, are they MT brand? No, these are Maste. These are different kind of date washi tapes, and I love them so much. I got them on jet pens. There's also these kind where you just have like this kind of thing, and you can like put your own, I don't know, do something in it that you like. So those are some things that I really love. You know, I love watercolor, and I'm just telling you what makes me happy to be in my journal. I don't know what makes you happy. If seeing a blank page and a pen fires you up, if this is what your heart loves, feeling this on the paper and not confusing it with anything else, then do that. Don't put anything in it. What I'm trying to get at is just do what makes you happy. So I love using my watercolors. I have my artisan ones that I've shown you guys. These are the 36 pan watercolors. I haven't been using my Jane Davenport since I started using my artisan ones. So I will be quite honest with you about that. And then you can also do other things in here, like spray inks and distress stains. Like, I have stuff like this that I used to use in my art journaling that I haven't used in a long time. Like, these are glittery. They're mica sprays. So I would be careful if you have like ink sprays. Like, this is an ink spray. This would probably bleed through this paper. We can try it. Unless you're really gentle about it. But see, it's kind of very dark. I mean, it's very pigmented ink, is what I'm saying, I guess. But beautiful. Yeah, see, it even like kind of bleeds through there. But look how pretty it is. See, it just, there's no rules. Like, you can do this. It's gonna be okay. I think that's so pretty. I just want it to dry so my pages don't stick together. And I like to put in fun colored tabs. These are from Agenda 52 at Hobby Lobby. You can make your own tabs. You can just do whatever you want, you know? That's my message here. Do what you want to do. Do it. I'm going to put this in here so these pages don't stick together. I don't think they would, but you just never know. And you can sit and think about like what different things you could do with these pages to get yourself excited for the new year. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. Have no clue. Maybe I'll do quotes in them. The monthly pages, I was thinking maybe about like a 1 line a day, like a gratitude kind of thing. I don't know if I would keep up with that. In my A6s, I started out the year doing collages on my monthlies, like kind of a monthly highlight kind of thing. So like here was my months. I started out, seeing those pages in my A6, I would write a monthly highlight. That only lasted through January. But I still have stickers in them and I still love it. And then like here was a December. I did a collage and Christmas, pictures from Christmas and washi tape. January was just like a winter collage kind of thing. Pictures of us sledding. This was just highlights, monthly highlights. And then this was pieces of my birthday card my husband gave me. And then this was beach collage from when we went to Florida. And then May, I didn't do anything after that. I was just trying to keep up with the other. This was, I love this. I have a video of this. There's this turning the page to a new year. I got inspired by my, when I ordered a Foxy Fix notebook, the dust jacket looked like this. And then I found this quote and I loved it. So I kind of lettered that and did that little art piece. So it can just be art journaling, you know? If something inspires you, then print it out or try and draw it yourself and watercolor it and try and do some lettering or something. And then starts our months. So, oops. This was my beginning of my Doodle challenge that I started last year using these books, How to Draw Almost Every Day. And I am happy to report that I am going to start doing that again in my dailies in here. And I'm so excited about that. That's making me really excited. I really fell off here because I just didn't keep up with it. But then I lettered when I got those new pens. I lettered in some weeks. I worked on that. You can use these to work on hand lettering. You could just do so much stuff. There's so many ideas. And if one of them you start and you don't like, just move on. Pick something else. And I think something that we all need to remember when we start out a year in a journal is blank pages are going to happen. It's going to happen, guys, and it's not the end of the world. We can always go back to it. You can always just leave it. You can stick stickers on it. You can go back and write a quote on it. Okay, my alarm just went off telling me that I need to stop filming and leave for the babysitters right now. So I really got to wrap this up. But in my weekly pages, I wanted to tell you guys that what I'm doing this year is letting my kids have these pages. So if they want to write me a note for that week, or if they did something cool in school that they want me to keep, I'll paste that in here. Or if they want to draw a picture. And if they don't want to, then they don't have to. But I just thought that was so cool to have their words and their thoughts. I'm not going to edit it or you know, say anything about it. I just want them in here because I love them. So this was Addie's page, and Henry's still working on stuff. So and she wanted to write her goals for 2020. So she wrote that I can move up a level in gymnastics and that I can try the Nutcracker. And then this is the baby Yoda that she drew me, and she put in stickers. I love that. And then I'm going to journal on these daily pages, and I love them. I loved this word reset. I was really thinking about that. And Addie drew me this thing, and it folds out. I love that. Look at that. And it's got all the emotions. So I just wanted to remind myself, I thought that was the perfect thing to put on the first day of 2020. Because, like, you can always reset. No matter what you're feeling, you can just come back. It's not a game over situation. You can come back and reset. And then we're going to be doodling and stickering and collaging. All the things, you guys. I'm so excited. And I guess I wanted to do this video to get you guys excited too. So if you've got washi, if you've got stickers, if you've got scrapbook paper, get in there and just play, okay? It doesn't have to be anything. It's what you want it to be. So, at the risk of sounding very trite and really annoying, that's all I wanted for this video, was to just encourage you guys for your 2020 journeys to just do you and to be very unapologetic about it, because that's my plan, you know? In this world, you can be a lot of things, but it's hard. The hardest thing to be is yourself. So, you know, let's own it. Let's own our crazy ass weirdness, and just let the chips fall where they may. And that's all I have to say, because I really have to go to work now. I love you guys, and I'm so excited for this year and the new things. Well, I don't know if they're new, but the things that are going to happen on this channel. I just have such good feelings about it, and I think we're doing awesome things here with each other and for each other. So I can't thank you guys enough for that. I owe you for an amazing element of my life that I would not have otherwise. It was a game changer for me. So that's it. I'm not gonna like cry or do anything stupid, but I love you guys, and I will see you guys very soon.
Get excited.